welcome. So the first thing we have here on the grill is a package of chorizo. So we're just going to go ahead and grill those and set those aside in a pan. Then we're going to grill the pork chops and do the same thing. Just set them aside in the pan. You want to reserve the juice that you get from those as well. So we've got some onions in a pan and some oil, and I'm just cooking those down. And then I'm going to add a little bit of garlic here and the spice mixture. So the spice mixture I'll have on the recipe that goes along with this video. So what I really want to do is mostly this is just cumin and chili peppers. I just want to open up those flavors. So I'm just going to kind of stir those for about 30 seconds and heat those up just a bit. And then we're going to start adding the liquid ingredients. So we've got some tomatoes, some green chilies, and you can either use ketchup or tomato sauce. And then I'm adding a bunch of beef stock. So you're going to just go ahead and pour that beef stock in there. You're also going to add water to this. Now you're going to reduce the water down when we simmer it. So it really doesn't matter how much you add. So here we have some apple cider vinegar and whiskey, brown sugar, and then the last thing, which is about a quarter cup of maple syrup. So the last thing I'm going to add here is some onion powder and oregano, and that's basically it for the ingredients. Then you're going to chop up that chorizo and the pork chops, and you're going to add that to the mixture. Make sure you add that liquid that came out of the meat when you were letting it sit. And then you're going to just simmer that for about an hour until it reduces down to the consistency you like. Then I usually add salt and pepper at that point. So I'm using cornbread here to kind of soak up some of that liquid. I have a really good cornbread. If you want to try that, I'll leave the link here at this point. So if you have any comments or questions, you can leave those below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.